Let's face it, cryptocurrency sounds complicated, but at its core it's a simple idea with big potential. So let's break it down. No hype, no shortcuts, just clarity. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe blockchain, but what do these terms actually mean? Cryptocurrency is digital money, but it's not just money you can see on a screen. It's built on blockchain technology, which is a secure, public ledger that records every transaction. Unlike traditional money, which is controlled by banks and governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. That means no single authority controls them. Instead, transactions are verified by a global network of computers, making them transparent and nearly impossible to fake. So why does this matter? Because it gives power back to individuals. You can send, receive, and store value without needing permission from a third party, and that opens doors, especially for people in countries where access to fair banking is limited. But this freedom comes with responsibility. When you own crypto, you're your own bank. You hold the keys. You manage your own wallet, and you're responsible for keeping your assets secure. It also means you must choose wisely. Not every coin is trustworthy. Some are built on solid technology and purpose. Others, just noise, hype, and false promises. So, how do you begin? Start with learning. Understand the basics of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain. Use trusted platforms. Avoid shady exchanges or coins that promise fast profits. Only invest what you fully understand. Avoid speculation and gambling behavior. That's not investing. That's risk-taking with your future. Real wealth, in any form, should be built with patience, intention, and honesty. Here's the truth. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it depends on how you use it. When approached with wisdom and discipline, crypto can be part of a more open, fair, and secure financial future. So, don't follow the crowd. Don't fall for hype. And never chase easy money. Understand first, then decide if it fits your goals.